Transform your living room into a cinematic paradise with the best home projectors that bring every moment to life. Feel the warmth of every color, the thrill of every scene, and the joy of true home entertainment. Experience luxury, comfort, and emotion blended perfectly because your home deserves the magic of a real theater. Number 1. Genie Halo Plus 1080p Portable Projector. The Halo Plus is an impressive portable projector. For starters, its 700 lumen display is a big plus for such a small model. While it does work best in dark spaces, it's plenty bright for a clear picture in rooms with some ambient light. Its built-in speakers are another standout feature. Whereas most small projectors don't get loud and have tinny audio, the Halo Plus sounds good enough to enjoy watching a game or film. You can always hook it up to an external speaker, but it's nice to know you don't have to. The Halo Plus has onboard Android TV for built-in streaming, though beware, there's no Netflix. Still, you can hook up streaming devices through its HDMI port. There's also zoom and lens shift on board, but it's a bit limited, so you may need to play with settings to get the best picture. I never thought I'd love a projector this much, Klein says, who added that she recently ditched her TV. I bring it from the bedroom to the living room and it takes a few minutes to set up in both spots. The audio is also pretty fantastic for such a small model. Number 2. AllPlay Netflix Licensed Smart Projector. The AllPlay Netflix Licensed Smart Projector with Google TV creates a personal theater experience that feels alive inside your home. Every image shines with natural depth, turning a simple wall into an emotional storytelling space. Its full high-definition clarity and balanced sound make every movie, show, or game feel close to the heart, not just to the eyes. Built for those who value comfort and connection, it brings together entertainment and atmosphere in one seamless moment. Whether you are relaxing with loved ones or escaping into your favorite series, its smooth streaming and smart design make every second feel effortless. The sound flows gently yet powerfully, filling your room with the energy of real cinema. It is not just a projector, it is an experience that wraps you in color, sound, and comfort. The AllPlay Smart Projector invites you to enjoy stories the way they were meant to be seen, with emotional warmth and modern simplicity. Create memories that last, where every frame feels like a piece of your own life reflected on the screen. This is where true home entertainment begins, with feeling, not just viewing. Number 3. Epson Life Studio Pop Plus Projector. The Epson Life Studio Pop Plus 4K Pro Ultra High Definition Personal Lifestyle Projector turns ordinary spaces into breathtaking visual experiences. Each frame feels alive, filling your surroundings with a lifelike glow that captures emotion and detail with rare precision. Designed for people who crave more than entertainment, it transforms every viewing into a feeling that lingers beyond the screen. Its balanced brightness creates a soft yet vivid atmosphere, where colors breathe and stories feel closer than ever. The depth of the sound surrounds you gently, drawing you deeper into every moment without distraction. It becomes a quiet escape where comfort meets inspiration, where home feels like a private cinema built just for you. This elegant design blends power and personality in perfect rhythm, creating an experience that is calm, immersive, and meaningful. The Epson Life Studio Pop Plus 4K Pro Ultra High Definition Projector connects emotion with innovation, allowing every scene to reflect warmth, clarity, and beauty. It is not just about watching, it is about feeling the heartbeat of what you see and living inside the story it tells. Number 4. Nebula X1 Triple Laser 4K Projector. The Nebula X1 Triple Laser 4K Projector brings imagination to life with every scene that unfolds before your eyes. Its radiant light captures emotion and depth, turning any wall into a cinematic dream that feels deeply personal. Each image moves with soul, color, and energy, transforming your moments into living memories that touch the heart. The brilliance of its projection creates an atmosphere that feels both calm and powerful, wrapping you in an emotional world of sound and vision. Whether you are watching with loved ones or spending time alone, it delivers a sense of presence that feels almost real, like stepping inside your favorite story. The smooth flow of motion and clarity keeps you absorbed, while every detail whispers quality and care. The Nebula X1 Triple Laser 4K Projector represents more than technology, it reflects passion, comfort, and artistry blended into one graceful experience. Its balanced design and luminous performance bring elegance and emotion into everyday life. This is where light meets feeling, where every viewing becomes a journey of connection, reflection, and wonder. Number 5. Goody Video Projector. The Goody Video Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth creates an emotional connection between vision and atmosphere, turning every viewing moment into something unforgettable. Its lifelike projection breathes warmth and color into every frame, making movies and shows feel closer to the heart. The harmony of light and sound transforms a simple space into a world filled with feeling, comfort, and imagination. Every image flows naturally, carrying the essence of storytelling in its purest form. Whether it is a quiet night with family or a solo escape into your favorite film, this projector surrounds you with clarity that feels alive. It builds not just a theater but a place where emotions rise and moments slow down. The Goody Video Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth captures beauty in its truest sense through smooth tone, balance, and depth that touch the senses. Designed for dreamers and creators, it fills both home and outdoor settings with cinematic emotion that moves beyond vision. Each scene unfolds with sincerity and soul, turning light into memory and entertainment into art.